Alright, Culture Cartel family, what's good? It's your boy B Money.
And you already know Keish.
Yo, we made it. It's 2020, yes.
2020.
Yo, what you do for Christmas break?
2020.
What you do for Christmas break, sis?
2020.
Oh,
2020.
what am I doing? Anyway, besides that, hey, we back, we right here, and this woman calls me up talking about how she can go ahead and make the best noodles. I'm like, yo, first and foremost, I'm a chef. I know how to do this,
You're
okay?
not even a chef.
Oh, yeah.
Are you certified?
Look, I ain't certified, but I know how to get down. When I used to go to college, look, she challenged me to a noodle challenge, y'all. A noodle challenge.
And I'm doing the ramen noodles.
Look, this is ramen noodles, okay? Let's get that right.
First of all, these are expensive. These are expensive. I'm not doing these.
Look.
How much did you pay for these? About $4?
Don't worry about how
These
much
was
I paid
about $4.
Don't worry about
This was $1 and some change.
Look, I'm gonna show y'all how to do this. I'm gonna show y'all how to do this, okay? I'm gonna keep it authentic, unlike this one over here.
Listen, the way I make my ramen noodles, I usually just microwave it for at least 4.
Wait, hold up. Microwave.
I microwave my noodles for
Microwave.
at least 4 minutes.
Hold up. Yo, you hear this right now? She talking about
microwave it.
No, you
What
don't.
do? You put it on the stove?
Yeah, everybody knows to get the good taste of a ramen noodle.
Oh, that's why you have your water boil.
Yeah, you're right. I got my water boil.
Listen, well, I already started with my eggs.
Oh, okay.
I already started with my eggs.
Oh, okay. She gonna be fancy with it, y'all. With the eggs. With the eggs. Okay.
We have 4 eggs boiling.
Look.
You boil your eggs for at least
what? How many minutes?
3 to 4 minutes.
3 to 4 minutes. Okay.
3 to 4
Okay.
minutes.
So look, y'all. She gonna put some eggs in her ramen noodles. Okay.
And not only that, I usually use shrimp.
Shrimp. Oh, you trying to
I get small ones because it's real cheap.
Okay.
I'm not getting them big ones.
Okay, what's up? Go ahead.
The big ones is very expensive.
Oh, okay. So you on a budget?
I'm on the right.
Oh, okay.
Right side budget, look.
Okay.
Are you gonna use shrimp in your noodles?
Don't worry about what I'm gonna do with my noodles. What I'm gonna do is do what I do best. I'm gonna show y'all how to get down, how I get down on these noodles.
All right, well, go ahead. You got your water boil. So what you gonna do?
Okay, first of all, you wanna make sure you got the right package of noodles. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go ahead and get it right.
He brought his water to a boil.
Yeah, bring your water to a boil. Alright, set it up in there.
You don't crunch yours?
No.
Oh, okay.
It flows naturally. It flows naturally.
Same way. I
You know
don't
what I'm
like
saying?
mine
And then a lot of people say you need to use this seasoning. You don't need to use no seasoning. What you need to do is you need to go ahead. I'm gonna show you the seasoning you need to do. You see that boiling right there? See that simmering? We have about 2 to 3 minutes. It's on point. It's on point, ready to be seasoned. No, don't turn it down. Turn it up. Turn it up. Turn it up.
You don't even know how to work your own stuff. This.
Hey, look here. Okay, good. Turn it on up. Turn it on up. Turn it on up. Now you gonna
cover it or not?
yeah, you can cover it.
Oh, okay.
Right, get a good boil. Get a good boil on it. Get a good simmer, good boil. And this is the go-to snack. This is the go-to meal when I was in college. I had to go ahead and get it. I had to get my budget right. This right here, noodles came through for me every time. So Key, show them the wrong way on how to make noodles.
Okay, first I put water in my bowl.
Okay, so you start off with that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get my chicken because you know I like the chickens. Okay, I like all the chickens.
You like the chicken.
I like all the chickens. Then you gonna open them up. If I can, you gonna open them up.
All right, break it down.
If I can, then you gonna open them up.
Oh Lord, you need help?
Please, you gonna open them up.
I'm gonna open them up. See, you don't put too much makeup on in front. There you go. I'll open it up for you.
You did not. Then I'm gonna put cheese up and stem. Okay. Now cheese won't even fit a little bit, so I'm just gonna break her just a little bit.
Oh, you gonna break it down?
Just a little bit, a little bit, because I don't like mine broke.
Okay. Yeah, get a little snap, crunch. There you go. Alright.
And then I'm gonna put cheese all up in the microwave.
Oh, okay. And how long do we put these noodles in the microwave?
4 minutes. I'm gonna do 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Let it cook.
You trying to frequency a noodle?
Let it cook. And I like my chicken seasoning.
Okay, so do you do it before? You are.
I do mine after.
Okay,
I like mine after.
Okay, so you gotta kill all.
Not before. Okay.
We gonna see.
We gonna see. So go ahead and let this stuff marinate and cook.
Yeah, let it marinate and
cook. You gotta clean up after you. Why didn't you put this in the trash?
Hold on. I got this. I got this. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Don't worry about what I be doing. Hey,
don't be worried about what you be doing.
You need help.
Worry about what I be doing.
Okay, you need help with opening the packets. All right. So check it. The seasoning you gonna need. Easy. Hot sauce, of course, if you like a little spice. You can go ahead and switch it up with the black pepper. You know, get a little more spicy with it, and also soy sauce. You can't go wrong with soy sauce.
But why you have soy sauce and then you have the packets?
Well, some people like the bottle, some people like the packets, like getting Chinese food. So
which one do you like?
I like the package.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, keep it authentic.
You know, I was watching TV and a lot of people were saying ramen and ramen. What's the right way to pronounce it? Is it ramen or ramen?
The Japanese say ramen. So we say ramen, I say ramen.
I say ramen.
You say ramen?
Yes, I say ramen. And I actually call these oodles or noodles. I don't call these ramen noodles.
Yeah, well, everybody call it oodles and noodles. You know?
Oh, okay, I thought it was beef flat. I thought it was beef flat.
Well, I'm gonna do what you said. Anyway, mine, it seems like it's already ready. See that oil?
You gotta check it?
Of course I'm gonna check it.
Yeah. Alright, go ahead and check it.
Yeah, see, look at that. Look at that. Nice, soft, authentic noodles. Nothing like that. And then what I do, you know, some people just like to pour it all in. Now I grab that just to, you know what I'm saying, stuff it in there. All right, so yeah, I'm scooping it in, getting it in there, getting it right, make sure every noodle is nice and soft. You know, some people just like to throw the bowl in. Nah, I keep it authentic. You gotta keep it authentic, sis. Yes, sir.
I'm all about authentic.
Oh, you okay? You authentic, but you put it in the microwave. All right.
Listen, and also while you have yours in the microwave, you have to make sure the water isn't overboiling.
Oh Lord.
Listen, that has happened to me several times.
Check it.
Okay, so you have all your little noodles. You still have some noodles floating in there. Y'all want that?
Yeah.
Things was $4.
I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna show you how to strain it. Okay. You know
okay. Well, what about your eggs? You gonna get your egg?
Oh, you giving me an egg? Oh yeah, I'll go take an egg. Thank you very much.
Them things is hotter than a noodle.
What? Are they still hot? They still hot?
They still hot.
All right.
I was gonna crack it open for you.
Oh, appreciate it. Good looking now. Okay. Still looking out, sis.
How many you want? One or two?
Just one. All I need is one.
All you need is one mic,
All
one
I need
noodle,
is one mic, one noodle,
egg.
one egg.
I like a lot.
All right.
I like a lot in mine.
Well, I usually don't use the broth, but I'm gonna get it right for the dramatic flair effect of the noodle, you know, because a lot of people don't know. Oh, your shrimps is overboiling, sis.
Oh, you want to help us sister out?
I got you. Turn the pot on off, turn the pot on off.
Folks.
All right, there we go. So I got you right there. We good. You know what I'm saying? My noodles.
You gonna put your seasoning in?
I'm gonna show the audience, I'm gonna show the fam how to do it.
Well, God.
All right. You sitting there rushing the brother. Now I'm going to go ahead and set the table.
Because you know I'm rushing because I already know.
All right, fam. So check it. You see this? This is complete authentic noodles with the daggone, on the side. And you already know I put that little season. I put that right there. A little black pepper on that. Also, you must want to go ahead and have your little hot sauce. I go in on my hot sauce like this. You know what I'm saying?
And that was a little bit.
Okay, well, how you do it? No.
I don't like hot sauce on my noodles.
Oh, you don't like hot sauce on your noodles? Yeah, go ahead and get your noodles.
Let it cool off a little bit because it was.
Oh, okay. I see it. Now, hot sauce. Soy sauce. All right, just sprinkle it. Not too much, not too overpowering. Just want to get that right. Yeah, and then that's it. Oh, sis. You didn't do it.
You know how I do.
Look, shrimp.
You know how I do.
Just in case you want to decorate your bowl, you know what I'm saying? Keep it. That's chef. That's how. That's right. That's how you do it, chef style on them. Like, bomb. You decorate it. You make that bowl look like it's ready. There you go. Bomb.
Give me this. No, I like mine inside. I like 3 eggs in mine.
3 eggs?
3 eggs.
Oh, what you trying to poke up like Rocky?
And I like some shrimp. You don't like shrimp inside?
No. I'm just decorating the bowl, you know what I'm saying? Trying to make it look authentic, you know what I mean?
Oh, you must have been dating some sloozy.
Hey, look here.
Sloozy back in the day. You had to decorate it.
Look here. Balling on a budget. That's what I used to call it back in those days. B.O.B. in it. And that is a budget right there.
Listen, I don't know about you, but I'm about ready to...
I'm about ready to throw down myself.
I'm about ready to
throw a little more soy sauce in there right.
God.
My bad. That's why you don't want to use packets. You want to make sure it's all in there. Yeah, I made a little mess, but it's okay though. It's all right.
Okay. Let's see who's out there. Let me see who's out there. Say something.
No.
Say something.
No, this right here. That's good right there. That's good right there.
Say something.
Now you gotta go. Look,
Say something.
If you want to make it right here.
Like, subscribe, and share.
Oh yeah, make
sure
you do that.
Comment and tell me how y'all do y'all little ramen noodles.
Yes, make sure y'all do it. Make sure y'all copy my recipe right here. This right here is on point.
You need 3 eggs. Do it in the microwave.
One.
Don't do it on the stove. It's not gonna be rain.
Yo, CCM.
All day, baby.
Yeah. Alright, Culture Cartel family, it's your boy B Money. You already know who this is.
Keish.
Yo, we got a new segment called B Money's Playlist.
It better be hot.
Of course.
Okay.
Alright, come on, man. You know, when I'm jamming on the road, you know, doing my daily 9 to 5, you already know I gotta go ahead and jam my jams. So I'm gonna go ahead and play a couple of my jams. Sis, you got a couple jams on them?
I just want to hear HB's. That's the only one I want to hear because he's the hottest.
You already know. Shout out to my boy HB. Yeah, the hottest thing smoking. Alright, but let me go ahead and play from my playlist.
Go ahead. Okay, you got a playlist.
I got a playlist.
You so fancy and stuff.
Yeah. I gotta do what I gotta do. You know what I'm saying? I do this. You understand that? I gotta do it. Alright, so let me go ahead and play one of my songs that get me motivated on the road. You know what I'm saying? I gotta do what I gotta do. Hold up. You know, gotta get the phone set up and connected to Bluetooth. That's how I do, you know what I'm saying?
Come going.
Alright, so I be jamming this, you know what I'm saying? This is my little motivational Roddy Ricch. You already know who that is, right?
Okay.
Yeah, you already know. Hey.
I remember hitting them all with the whole team. 9 niggas paid us a call
because I'm home. I was waiting. It ain't got enough bump. It's good. It ain't got enough bump. It's good, but it ain't got enough bump.
Okay, well, alright.
Something else.
Okay, alright.
Something else.
Well, excuse me. Let me go ahead.
You ain't got no,
Man, look, you ain't said nothing but a word, alright?
You ain't got no debate or nothing?
What?
Oh, okay, go ahead.
See, this my.
Oh.
Yeah.
About to be lit.
It about to be lit. You already know. What?
They call me hot boy. I split fame like a tourist. Trap like
You already know.
This is what I'm talking about. This is what I gotta ride to.
Okay, alright.
This gets me on my toes.
Look,
my toes are about this get me on my toes right now.
You ain't gotta say nothing but a word right now. You know what I'm saying? Every time I jam my boy, I be.
Listen, not only that, he's dropping new stuff every week for him.
Oh yeah, you already know he is. Y'all better
make sure they check some out.
You know, where his page at? Where you can find him at?
Check some out. We gonna put it right on at the bottom. Go ahead and look at the bottom.
Yeah, you better check my boy out, man. All right.
He's hotter than
hot. So you already know. You know what I'm saying? I do what I do, man. That's how I do it. You know what I'm saying? I be in there. I be doing what I.
What else? One more. Just one more.
Oh
you
my
got.
gosh.
Let me do the babies.
Look, man. You ain't gotta say nothing but a word, man.
These the babies.
Let me see.
Speaking of music, did you see Trick Daddy mugshot? In that headline?
Look, man.
It looked like he had like
Look, man, he trying to.
It was a bald spot, but it looked like he had like hair dye or something.
Look, man, he trying to stay forever.
Right all up
he trying to stay forever young, man.
Right all up in
you know, it's a young man's game in this industry. You gotta stay young, man. You gotta put that image out there like that. That was a bad mugshot, man. Bad
young.
mugshot.
How's he staying young?
LeBron James do it.
What are you? Oh, you talking about the Beijing stuff?
Yeah, man.
The daggone color stuff that he had.
Yeah.
No, but his was horrible. I don't know if he had like a wig or something right there.
No, he had no wig. It's just spray. It just melted off. That's all it is, like ice cream.
It was horrible. Anyway, Tricky's Daddy's Dollars. If you need to use somebody to do your hair with diggy, you go ahead and contact Culture Cartel. Come on, put on.
Okay. Well, excuse me, man. You know what I'm saying? I just be playing my playlist, and she just want to go ahead and be the director.
Like Bobby and Whitney. Say I'm the GOAT. Act like I don't know, but fuck it, I'm obviously winning.
How you drive? to this.
Oh, look.
I'm out with your bitch.
Come on.
Lean down a little bit.
Disrespect me and I beat your ass up all in front of your partners and trade. That nigga think that I'm broke until I pop out with a million.
Look at somebody looking at you.
Oh, yeah. What up, bro? You already know, crew.
Go ahead, bag 'em.
Hey.
Fit in my pocket. I got it. Like
Put it in the bag, yo.
You crazy. Go ahead and pause on the baby. Go ahead and pause on the baby. Go ahead and pause.
Look, man, fam, you already know what it is. If you got your favorite playlist, I will play it for everybody in the family. Everybody gonna hear it.
Listen,
you know
make sure y'all send all y'all little songs,
Yes,
plays or whatever.
yes,
Make sure y'all send it over to
yes.
Culture Cartel.
Yes.
And also, it's this beautiful young girl named
Who?
Taylor Williams. She wants us to advertise her bows on our podcast. So on our
really?
next episode, yes, she has some amazing bows. JoJo CY, watch out because Taylor has the best bows, the best homemade bows.
Okay.
Coming to you.
Alright.
Anyway, make sure y'all like, subscribe,
Do that.
share,
Do that.
comment. Let us know what noodles you like.
Yes.
Make sure you try my recipe.
Yes.
Try his after you try
Of
mine.
course. I'm the chef in the kitchen. I be working, I'm putting in the work.
Mine comes to the first or whatever. Happy 2020.
Yeah.
You know we on our green machine.
Yes.
Because we getting all the coins.
Getting all that money.
Okay, so
All that
we
money.
got our little shirts and
Shutting
stuff,
it
logos
down.
and everything. We
Right.
labeled. We
Yeah,
labeled.
We own it. We own it. Y'all ain't seen none yet.
We ain't seen nothing. We got everything coming out.
Oh yeah. I'm ready.
We looking for actors, actresses, and everything.
Wait, can't no more say
I ain't gonna take none.
Yo,
Shoot. You know
CCM
what,
family
let's-
2020, we made it. Clear vision, that's what the year I call it. I dubbed the Clear Vision 2020. Y'all better get it, get the bag. Y'all you securing the bag?
Securing the bags.
All right.
I'm the financial advisor in this group.
Yeah. Tenfold, securing the bag. Bag
Peace.
secure. Peace.